Hi there, and welcome to this series on motion tracking in Cinema 4D. My name is Joe Herman. We'll begin by doing a full 3D manual track of this scene in the park. Manual tracking gives you control of every step of the tracking process. We'll also set up the lighting, reflections, and shadows, and finally composite it all in After Effects. In this shot of buildings, we'll learn how to do a full 3D solve, which basically tracks the shot automatically in one click. We'll also light it and use global illumination to brighten up the shadows. After rendering, we'll composite it together in After Effects. In this scene, we'll examine how to do a nodal pan track, typically used on shots where the camera is mounted on a tripod. In addition to lighting and shadows, we'll take a look at using anisotropy to create a brushed metal appearance on the logo and composite it in After Effects. In our final example, we'll learn how to do a planar track, typically used to track flat surfaces such as this brick wall. See you in a bit.